SageMaker. The Amazon SageMaker is providing some kinds of pipeline to do the artificial intelligence activities in the Amazon framework, the Amazon cloud environment. The Amazon SageMaker uh, it is basically involving with the artificial intelligence activities in the AWS cloud environment. The artificial intelligence on the other hand, people used to refer this one as machine learning. So when you're looking at the machine learning start with the business problem, and then you have to analyze the problem, and it means the problem formulation. And to achieve this problem, you have to have to collect the data, uh, and after that you have to visualize the data, and ultimately you should having a data model. Once you are having a model, you can, when you get a arbitrary problem, not exactly arbitrary, it means the relevant problem. Imagine so our business problem is finding a person with the face. It means machines can understand a person with the facial recognitions. So we are formulating the problem, the face recognition. It means you have to identify a person with the with their with their face, and it means you can give some points, some important things in this picture. Imagine when you think your face is a face. Yes, it's a face, but for the computer, it is image. To understand in this particular image, to identify this particular image, you may need some points. So it could be eyes, it could be the some depth of the some features of your face. Those kinds of things are something like problem definitions. So when you're collecting the data, when you're collecting the data analysis, so it could be now we are in that level. It means the it means the uh, width or a distance of the eyes, and then distance or length of the nose, and the length of the ratio length of the lips. Those kinds of information going to be you're going to collect. And after that, you are having a training period. You are going to apply this your collected data, the analytical data, and you are going to apply for a particular data and keep doing the practicing. And practicing means you are going to train and identify. You are feeding this information for the system, and system will automatically get trained. Not the automatically, you have to have the data. Once you are having the data, the system can get trained, and it will produce. This is a module. This is the model for the understanding a person. So when you automatically, if you when you're going to do some face recognition one, the real practice, when you're having the model, you can you can apply that model and get the result. That's how it's going to be work. Imagine in case when you're analyzing some particular data, uh, and you're going to train that data, and when you make the model, if you can provide a service, or if you can't solve the problem in the outside, it means you have to rework in your training process. It means your training set is not going to be valid. Or either you can go for the data collecting section, it means data integration section, or do the rework. That's how it's going to be work. So imagine the machine learning is not going to be so easy uh, without having proper framework. So Amazon support for this training process. So except it not involving with the business problem, yes, It is come up with the requirement